Have you ever posted a Facebook post or lost money or you run ad but no sales come? This happened because you did not understand how Facebook ads actually work. In next few minutes I will explain Facebook ads so simple even school kid or small shop owner can understand. After this video, you will never look at ad the same way. Let's start. Imagine you have a one small shop in your area. Many people walk outside your shop every day. You shout loudly, mobile covers, but only few people who need mobile cover will stop. Facebook ads work actually like this. Facebook is not magic. It's just a smart middleman. Facebook ads means you are paying Facebook to show your message to the right people. Not everyone. Only people who are interested. If you are selling a shoe, Facebook show your ad to people who like shoes. If you sell gym products, Facebook show your ad to people who like fitness. Facebook already know people better than you. Your job is just tell to Facebook what you want. That's it. Now listen carefully. This is very important. Facebook works like a match. You are on one side, customer is on another side. Facebook match you both, but Facebook has thousands of advertisers. So how doesn't Facebook decide which ad to show? Imagine three shop owners want to show ad one customer. Shop 1, pay more. Shop B, pay medium. Shop C, pay less. Facebook will not automatically show Facebook to shop 1 because they pay high amount. Facebook starts asking one question: which ad is most useful for this customer? If your ad is helpful, Facebook show it even if you pay less. That's why bad ads fail even with big budgets. Now let me explain the structure. Campaign, first one means what do you want? So what is your goal? Sales, leads, messages. If you choose wrong goal, Facebook get confused. Second, ad set. Who, how much? Ad set means who should see the ad, how much money per day, age, location, interest, all here. Third one, ad. What people see. Ad means the actual photo or video, that is what people watch. If this is boring, everything fail. Now I will tell you biggest mistake Indians make. They boost post, but boost post is like giving money to the stranger and say do something. Facebook ads are like giving clear instruction. Boost post equal to waste for business. Real ad equal to control plus result. Why most ads fail? Because of three reasons: wrong goal, wrong audience, boring ad. Facebook is not our enemy, our confusion is. Facebook ads are simple. You tell Facebook what you want, who you want, and show a good message. That's it. In next video, I will explain why Facebook ads does not work for beginners. If this video helpful to you, even a little, subscribe. See you in next one.